Welcome to this presentation on NYU Langone Dental Medicine's Pediatric Dentistry Residency Program in Casa Grande, Arizona. Our residency program currently has 2 established sites in the state of Arizona, and this presentation is for our site in Casa Grande. My name is Dr. Sri Krishna Akalesh, and in this presentation, I will be providing an overview of our site, including the clinical training locations and locations for the medical rotations that comprise the 2-year residency training in pediatric dentistry that we offer at our Casa Grande site. Our program director is Dr. Daniel Kane. He oversees all the NYU Langone Pediatric Dentistry program sites nationwide. I am Dr. Akalesh, and I'm the Senior Associate Director for our site, as well as other sites in our Pediatric Dentistry Residency Program. Dr. Takish Ziad is the Associate Director for our site in Casa Grande. In this slide, you can see listed the clinical requirements for a CODA-accredited pediatric dentistry residency. In the far left column, the various rotations are named. In the middle column, the year in the program during which this experience is scheduled is shown. In the column on the right, the name of the health system, clinic, or facility where our residents currently get these experiences are listed. Something to keep in mind: our program site in Casa Grande is based out of Sunlife Family Health Center. Medical rotations will be completed through Honor Health, Banner, and Dignity Health Systems. In this presentation, I will review each of these sites, as well as the experiences provided for our residents during their 2 years in training with us. This slide gives an overview of the resident orientation. Our Phoenix residents receive a program orientation provided by Dr. Daniel Kane via video teleconference during the first 2 weeks of the program. During this lecture, Dr. Kane covers topics that apply to the residency, such as the program overview, expectations, requirements, benefits, due process, cultural diversity, among other relevant topics. There is a separately scheduled session conducted by the Department of Dental Research at NYU Langone, which covers the research process, timeline, available resources and support, as well as the expectations for resident research projects. In addition to these sessions, our Phoenix residents will have a local orientation session with myself and administrators and attendings at the various sites they rotate to locally to review the expectations, as well as other topics that will help the residents when they begin their training with us. Now I'd like to review our Casa Grande site's hosting institution, Sunlife Family Health Center. Sunlife Family Health Center's mission is to deliver affordable, high-quality health services, wellness, and education to all people. Sunlife Family Health Center began in 1976 with 1 small office in Pinal County with 1 full-time and 1 part-time physician. Today, Sunlife serves over 47,000 patients, 30% of whom are children. Sunlife is the largest provider of primary healthcare services in Pinal County and serves Apache Junction, Casa Grande, Eloy, Florence, Maricopa, Oracle, and San Manuel. In addition, Sunlife is accredited by the Joint Commission. This slide shows a map of the service area and various locations for Sunlife Family Health Center in and around Casa Grande, Arizona. On this map, the Sunlife location that serves as the home site for the residency program is indicated by the red and yellow star. Now I'd like to introduce you to Sunlife Family Health Center's administrative team. Dr. Eddie Estrada is our current Chief Executive Officer. Dr. Jonathan Wilms is our Chief Medical Officer. Jessica Covey serves as our Chief Financial Officer, and Mishalov Rav serves as our Chief Operations Officer. For dental, Dr. Mariam Mahmoud serves as a dental director, and Marcela Gomez is our dental clinic manager. Now I'd like to give you a visual tour of Sunlife's clinic facilities in which our residents train at our Sunlife Pediatric Dentistry location. Here, you can see some photos of the exterior of our building, as well as a photo of our front desk area. In this slide, you can see photos of our clinic. We have 10 operatories, with 4 located in closed rooms. Our clinic offers sedation and in-office IV GA for the comprehensive care of our pediatric patient population. In addition, We have general dentists who treat patients at the site. We also have a significant special needs population for whom collaborative efforts between pediatric and general dentists will provide meaningful educational opportunities. Now, I'd like to review our rotational sites where our residents complete their required medical rotations. On this map, you can see the various locations where clinical training and experiences occur for our Casa Grande residents. 7 locations are listed, of which 6, shown in orange, are where medical rotations occur. The one site shown in purple, Sunlife Pediatric Dentistry, as previously mentioned, is the home site for clinical training in pediatric dentistry. Now let's go through each of the medical rotational sites. Our residents rotate through several Honor Health hospital locations to fulfill their medical rotational requirements. Honor Health is a large health system with hospital and clinic locations across the valley in Phoenix. Our residents rotate to Honor Health's Scottsdale Shea Medical Center for their inpatient pediatric medicine rotation. Our residents complete their 20-day anesthesia rotation at the Honor Health Deer Valley Medical Center, where they get hands-on experience with placement of IVs, intubating patients, learning the principles of airway management, and anesthesia-related medical emergencies. Our residents get experience with craniofacial anomalies and associated syndromes by attending the craniofacial team meetings at Dignity Health's St. Joseph Hospital in their second year of the program. At Banner Casa Grande Medical Center, our residents complete a 2-week rotation in emergency medicine. They have the opportunity to get exposed to the triage, assessment, and management of common pediatric medical emergencies at the hospital ER. In addition, the residents take call at this facility for pediatric dental emergencies after hours for the duration of their time in the residency program. The last site I'd like to review is Sunlife Center for Children. This site is located across from our home site, Sunlife Pediatric Dentistry. At Sunlife Center for Children, the residents will gain experience working with pediatricians to see pediatric patients for well child and sick visits as part of a 10-day outpatient pediatric medicine rotation. This concludes this presentation. If you have further questions about our site, please reach out to me via my email address, which is listed on this slide. You can also reach out to Dr. Takish Ziad, the Associate Director for our site in Casa Grande. Thank you for listening and learning more about our NYU Langone Pediatric Dentistry Program site in Casa Grande, Arizona.